We are here in Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the top floor studio apartment 9J. Let's go on in. You can see our kitchen is on the right as we enter the apartment. There's the refrigerator. You can see the microwave. And here's a special feature that we have just on floors 8 and 9. There is a dishwasher in this studio apartment. It's there underneath the sink, as you can see. And you can see the stove and oven. There are cabinets and drawers, and you can see the counter space as well here in the kitchen area. So again, dishwashers on floors 8 and 9. Across from the kitchen, we have that bathroom. It's the same as we've seen in the other units here in the building, but let's take a look. We have that tub shower with a sliding door. There's the vanity that opens up underneath for additional storage. You can see the toilet, the towel bars, and over here on the wall on the right is a small cabinet for some more bathroom item storage. Let's go on into the main part of the room. The studio apartments are always furnished with a desk and chair. There's the dining table and chair. There's also a bookshelf, a full-size bed, and the dresser is over here. So those are the furniture pieces that come in all of the studios here. And let's take a look. We have the closet open so we can see inside the closet as well. Another nice feature up here on floor 9, these top 3 floors have the air conditioner set below the window and not in one of the windows. That means that both of these windows here on the left and right, they both slide open. And here again, we're on the 9th floor, so nice and high up, and we have beautiful valley views. We're looking to the west. Let's look over here to the south a little bit. So that's downtown Ithaca, and then over here, past these red buildings to the north, we can see Cayuga Lake. I'm going to zoom in so we can see the lake a little better. There it is. So we have beautiful lake views from up here on the 9th floor. Let's zoom back out. So that's a great feature to be on the top floor here in the building. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're right in central Collegetown, just steps away from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, the main intersection of the neighborhood. And from there, of course, we're located just 1 block to campus here at Collegetown Plaza.